This is the new motherboard that's installed in the machine, the one that you've just sent me, which is the version 0.4. The Wi-Fi connector down the bottom here has two lots of 6 pins, and this is the old board, which is version 0.2. It has two lots of 5 pins. You'll also note with the Wi-Fi adapter, it gets plugged in from the very start of these pins furthest to the left hand side, leaving two exposed on the right hand side. But you'll also notice the standoffs don't line up anymore. They're on an angle, and the camera probably doesn't show that. So here's the problem. I turn the printer on. We go to print off the SD card. SD card is in there. We know that that works from the previous video. So I press print, comes up with the card error, and it will tell me that the Wi-Fi is turned on. Okay, so we go to the Wi-Fi. And sure enough, it's trying to connect. But the problem is, it turns itself on every time I turn the machine off and then turn it back on. If you also come over to my computer screen, you can see the USR Wi-Fi 232G2. I can connect to that eventually. So we know that the Wi-Fi module is working. Still saying connecting. And you can see that it is now connected. And I could disconnect it if I want to. So that proves that it's connected. It's still saying it's connecting over here. It's still not giving me an IP. Alright, so not connected, and you can clearly see that if I want to turn the Wi-Fi back on, I can. If we go back to trying to access the SD card, now I can access all my drawings that I want to print off. However, when I turn this printer off and turn it back on, I've got to go through this complete cycle again before I can access the SD card slot. So I'll turn it off. So the machine's off, turn it back on. Go to print. SD card error, and it tells me that the Wi-Fi is turned on. I've got to do that every single time I want to access the SD card. So there is some sort of firmware issue probably, unless there's an issue with this board as well, but there's definitely an issue, and it's got nothing to do with the way I've installed the board.